How you doing, guys? Here you go. We got another unboxing here. We got the Blackbird spotting scope. Comes with a tripod and carrying case. It's something I picked up on my favorite store, Amazon. Um, didn't want to spend too much money on something like this, but I didn't want anything that cheap. And by the looks of things, they had some good reviews on it, so I picked it up. They sent it to me. I'm gonna be using this when I go out to the gun range with my son when we go out there and shoot our long rifles. Something to help us make sure we're on target at long distance. All right, so let's get to it. Let's open it up and see how it looks. All right. Um, I haven't opened this, so I don't know what's in it. So let's take a look. All right. Comes with the case, as they said. All right. And look like we got the tripod and we got directions. All right. And that's pretty much it right there. So we got the directions here. Actually, the register online. Pretty straightforward. Comes with this tripod. Aluminum. Nothing too fancy. Look at it. Got a aluminum stand here. It's not adjustable going up down. The height is the height, so which is fine. Got rubber feet here. Comes straight out. Typical tripod. So this is metal, and look like this is maybe metal also. So yeah, just a basic tripod. So take a look at it. Tighten left and right, tighten to go up and down. So yeah, it looks like it's okay. It looks like it'll get the job done. All right, again, it's not it is what it is for the price. So only thing like these I could tell over here, it's it's not sharp, but it is it is very edgy. I guess I could say. So just gotta be careful on that. It looks like it's well done. It's nothing, some type of finish on it, some type of coating on over the aluminum. So it's not I can tell by looking at it, it's not balanced. So again, it's just some metal. Throw it with a few screws. And yeah, you got a tripod. So again, it is what it is. Let's take a look at the scope. Decent bag. All right, nothing. Nylon strap. Again, this will be going into my gun bag, so it's look as easy. If you didn't want to take a gun bag or something, you can throw in, help protect it. So, and here's the scope. All right, come with a clean cloth to help you out, and that's it. Come with an lens caps that's already on, which I like, so you don't have to worry about losing it. All right, here's where you go with the tripod. So, and there's rubber here and rubber here, so it'll definitely bite in once you get it set up. Yeah, that's it. You got a range from 12, 18, 24, 30 to 36 in focus range. Yeah, rubber. So it's not, doesn't look that bad. It's a plastic rubber. Look like it's well made for the price. Again, just only I didn't pay that much for it, so I want just something basic. Let's turn this around this way. Rub this in here, and that's it. Yeah. Alright guys, that's pretty much all to it. Now, I don't know how it looks. I'm gonna take a look at it and see if I can spot some birds out in my backyard. Um, I'll let you know the lens quality on it. But again, it'll get the job done. All right, I'm shooting no longer with the 22 long rifle, about 50 yards, 100 yards out the most. So I don't really need any that's long distance in spotting, just something basic. So look like this will do the job. So let me take a look at it. Let's see if I can set up the camera so I can let you see the image quality if it's possible. All right. Okay. You got two focusing points. You got the right here to help you focus the zoom, and right here also. So these two works in conjunction. You want to get a little closer, you adjust this, and this will help you focus even more detail. All right. It also it features the BAK4 Prism. All right, the quality glass used the prisms is how filing and is ground to affect the sharpness of the images. The two more common types are the BK7 and the BAK4. Generally, the BK or the Bark 4 is more expensive and considered better than the BK7 for several reasons. One such is that the Bark 4 gives you a nicer round exit pupil, while the BK7 can produce distortion around the edges of the exit pupil as seen below. All right, so this is something what they're saying right here, and I can attest the Bark 4, I'll call it. It is more smoother. I'm not sure about this BK7, so again, it's not bad. The navigation on this is 12 by 36 times. It's about 50 millimeter. The field of view is from 52 to 26 millimeters. All right, guys. Let's see. I'll tell you what I'm focused on. I'm looking out, say about, in my backyard. I'm focused right on that light post. I'm saying that light post will say about, I'm saying 50, maybe 80 yards away. Or maybe a little more. So I'm gonna let you guys see the image quality. Looks pretty good. I mean, there's a little box up there, and I can read the box. That's how detailed this thing is. So I'm gonna see if I can set up my camera and see if you can see the image quality. But overall, for the price I paid for this, I think this is reasonable. Very reasonable. If you don't need anything too expensive, if you're shooting anything, say about 100, maybe even 200 yards out, this should be very good and suffice. All right. I did a review. I'm using this cell phone adapter to put over this to see if I can get a good focus on it to help record the images or what I'm looking at. So let me get this set up and see. Let's take a look and see how it looks. All right. As far as that adapter, you have to put it at an angle, as you can see. I have it like at a 1 o'clock type of configuration. All right. And then you're gonna have to pretty much bring your eyepiece to adjust it over. So it takes a little time on trying to get a good focus through the eyepiece with the cell phone, but it is doable. All right. And this is how close down you have to bring it down to try to get that tight squeeze of your lens onto the eyepiece. So I just want to show you guys that setup, and this is how it looks. All right. Again, what I like about it, you already have the eye caps that'll stay attached to it, so you don't have to worry about putting it in your pocket, getting lost. And again, it comes with a bag, so not a bad setup. Again, the tripod, it's nothing fancy to write home about, but it will get the job done. So, all right, so that's the Blackbird spotting scope. And yeah, that's pretty good. I think it's definitely worth the couple of bucks I paid for it. All right, guys, I just want to let I know. Just this is an image. I'm saying it's close to probably another, say 200 yards down, and pretty much you can see some. All right, guys. Let's see. I got the camera set up with the spotting scope, using the smartphone adapter. All right, it's coming through my cell phone camera into the eyepiece out, and as you can see, it's pretty good. It's pretty sharp. Um, Again, uh, for my purpose. So again, I'm gonna be using this to be spotting targets at the gun range. Me and my son. So I think this will work just as fine. I'm looking at spotting a pulse is more than about say 50, 75 yards down. Not 50, 60 yards down. Um, that's as far as we're shooting our 22s, long rifles. He's a beginner in shooting, so this definitely gonna come. So this is the quality of it. You definitely can get further down if you want. Let me see if I can spot a little further down. Let me see if I can follow this down. I'm focusing on a light post, and this one here is well over close to say 100 yards down. Focusing on it. So look at seeing the transformer. You can see the plus sign. So I think this is a very good scope. I'm very pleased with it. So again, this is the Roxant Blackbird high definition spotting scope with zoom, which has a tripod, a carrying case included, and this is the quality of what you're getting out of it. Yeah, I think it's not a bad purchase. I'll put a link on Amazon. I think the price is very reasonable, and I don't think you can go wrong with this. Again, I'm spotting a light post in my backyard. This is well about 100 yards down, and then some. And I think you should really see some detail in this. So I think this will really definitely will do the job. So tell me what you think, guys. Is something that you're considering to pick up, or you're doing your little research? Again, this is Boys and Their Toys. Any reason I can get a new toy and spend a little money and save a little money, I'm all for it. So I hope you appreciate the channel. I hope you appreciate the unboxing. Give a thumbs up. Again, as I get things, I pretty much do open boxing. I'll tell you my opinion on it, why I bought it, and maybe it'll help educate you on your purchase. All right, so guys, be safe out there. Take care of your family and enjoy your toys. All right, I'll talk to you later.